folks, welcome back. We're doing Deftones, My Mind is a Mountain today. I've been asked loads of times for Deftones stuff. They just sort of passed me by a little bit. So we're going to do some of those. I thought, why not start with their new single? So you need to tune to drop C, okay? So like drop D, but your whole guitar's down a tone or 2 frets worth. But you can tune to me, so the low string goes down to C. 5th string G, 4th string C, 3rd string F, 2nd string A, 1st string D. Tone-wise, I'm using the funny little boxes Dirt. So you want that beefiness going on, and that's about it. So let's dive in with the first riff, shall we? So first part, I'm going to race through this because I think it's fairly straightforward. We've got a 1-finger power chord, but you also have the 3rd fret there. This is also has like a triplet feel. I probably should have tabbed this all in 6/8, but there's a very distinctive part where it goes into a 6/8 part, and I think reading it in 4/4 just is easier. So, you know, that's what I've gone with. So we have this. 3 stabs and then a little fill. Let me play through the first 4 slowly. Like that, okay? So that's it slowly. Look at those fills quickly. This one is down, down, up, down. The second one goes, and they're like a triplet feel as well. So it's third one same as the first, and then the fourth one is just 16th notes, right? Triplets. Then another guitar comes in over the top, so it might continue to just do this. But you hear that drone note come in. You can play that on one guitar though, just by adding the 5th fret in. So 3, 3, 5, 5. So those fills are the same, first 3, and then the 4th one goes. So you just slide it up 2 frets, all right? Then we go into this triplet part. And you do this 3 times round, okay? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that, okay? The triplet thing might be a little bit difficult to get your head around, so just, you know, play along with the record, right? Because then it flips after 3 times of that. It goes into this. And that's just straight quarter notes, slightly palm muted. It's not. You know, you could do that, but I think it's got a very, very light palm mute. So you do 6. And then this fill. Again. Like that, all right? 4 of those, and then little turn around to go into the verse. Like that. That's it, basically. Okay, so you already know that. And then we have that again, right? But the 3rd time, really heavy palm mute that bit, right? Then into this riff again, which you already know. 4 of those, and then we go into this other part, right? One guitar. This is really clearly 6/8. Cool rhythm to this too, okay? So we're going to go some octaves. Okay, and then we go up to the 15th. So you're basically going 17, 15, 13, 12. And then 15. Okay, that's the first time. But the rhythm... Now you're moving to the note just before the beat, effectively. So you got... Yeah? Second time. You got that going on, okay? So I won't repeat the first 2 bars, but the repeats have... So 13, 12, 10, 13. The third time goes... 15, 13, up to 17, then down to 12, all right? And then the fourth time just plays... You go up to the 19th fret, all right? That's it. The other guitar part is just playing basically like a D5 shape for 2 bars, and then let me take the distortion off so you can hear the rhythm, right? It doesn't really matter. He kind of settles on a rhythm, but the first time is... You got that going on. Then you change. Okay, so that's the sort of rhythm that he's playing. Very difficult to hear with all the distortion, but you could settle on this, right? Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Okay, and the same with the other chord. And then with distortion. Right, you play the whole thing around 4 times, and then the outro, you've got another little turnaround. You do that 3 times. On the 4th time, you end there on the 8th fret. The other guitar part comes in for the last 2 times. I think you're just playing the 10th fret, which goes like this: 3, 4. And that is it. Hope you enjoyed that one. See you again soon.